Why does it always feel like no matter how much you earn, you're broke again just 2 days later? The client pays you, alert lands and you smile. Finally, you clear one or two bills, maybe some small enjoyment. After all, you've worked hard. Fast forward 3 days and you're staring at your bank account thinking, where did it all go? You, my friend, are not alone. Freelancers, small business owners, so many people live in this cycle. Money flows in, then it disappears. And it's not even like you're reckless. I mean, it could be debt from last month still hanging, family requests piling up, or maybe you're simply tired of tracking everything in your head. Let me be clear. You are not bad with money. You just haven't had the right system or tools to plan before it slips away. Here's the shift. Every naira needs a job the moment it lands in your account. I'm going to give you a simple framework to use. Step one, capture all your income over the last 6 months, divide it by 6. That gives you a monthly average of just how much you earn. Step two, capture all your expenses and categorize them. You're going to put it into monthly bills and essentials. So stuff like light, data, subscription, you want to clear those fast. Needs, food, transport, the basics. Wants. Of course, enjoyment is allowed, but only after the priorities are handled. Step three, think about your large spend. Things like rent, insurance, holidays. You're going to want to split that into monthly amounts that you need to save for the time they fall due. Step four, I need you to put something small into savings or emergencies, gradually paying your debts, or even tools and skills that will make your next alert bigger. It's really important. Step five, adjust all of these now to fit your income, because sometimes we want more than we can actually earn. Step six, you have a budget now. Stick to it. Just note, if your income falls short, so does your spend. But if you save, that doesn't necessarily have to be the case. It's not about complexity, it's about intention. What you really want is peace of mind, the freedom to take opportunities, to stop living gig to gig. And that won't come from just hustling harder. It comes from managing your money with clarity. And that's why we're building SimpliFi. One view of all your income, a simple way to assign every naira, control, even when your life is unpredictable. We're not live yet, but a wait list is open. So join now and be the first to know when we launch. Like, share, and subscribe. In episode 2 of this, we'll talk rent, holidays, and dirty December. How to be ready.